Hey guys, so I just am doing a really quick video here to talk about another video on another channel. A while back, Kim and Jerry from CaliKim came over to my garden and filmed a little bit of a garden tour. And Jerry's camera work is always awesome, so if for nothing else, watch it for that. We got into talking about a subject that can sometimes be a little touchy for some people, and that is depression and anxiety, and more specifically, my depression and anxiety, and even more specific, how gardening has actually helped me with that, overcome that, deal with that. And so I would highly recommend, if you yourself are dealing with something like that, or maybe someone you know, that you definitely check it out. I'm putting a link right up here, and I hope you get something out of it.